Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to use a green screen on the CapCut. So if you want to change background or remove green from your subscribe button or from anywhere, you want to watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your CapCut. Now you have to import a video in your CapCut editor. Once you will do it, after that you have to select a clip and you will see this type of the menu. So from here you have to search for the overlay. You just have to add overlay, click add overlay. After that you have to import the video you want to add like this. So I want to add this. As you can see, this video is with the background. Now I simply select this clip and I have to search a chroma key from here. As you can see, chroma key is here. Now you have to pick color. So here is black. If you have video with the green background, you can simply select green color. Once you will do it, click right here, select this color, and you can simply remove this in this way. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.